All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on my journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. Friday, December 6th. I got Uber and PLTR, man. I did it again, man. I had a great stint of trading. I celebrated internally and came back and just had a horrible time. Um, yeah, so it happened again. This is below yesterday's low. I mean, yesterday's high. I don't like that. What was yesterday looking like? Hmm. Yeah, I don't like it back below there. Kind of like that. It's wide stop though. What we say we was gonna wait though? Stop buying the what's up, Kizzy Bot? Stop buying the second and third candles, especially below yesterday's high. Man, I think you gotta wait for almost 65.5 on Uber. This look kind of good. Looks strong. It's a wide stop though, 75 cent. But this one got like a $10 range. What's up, Signature? What you watching today? Man, I don't know. Uber just got a nice volume spike off the lower day. Ah, what happened? Oh, because I didn't do. Oh my God. I don't know how many. Damn it, bruh. That sucks. That sucks. Well, I'm a little disappointed I just missed that entry. I don't know what I was doing, but I guess I forgot to click. Yeah, I just started the stream, sick. I literally forgot to click where to put my stop and it wouldn't fill me. It wouldn't put the order through, which is totally my fault, but all right, whatever. Maybe it'll come back. Ah, that's tough. This game can be really tough. I started to want to take that too. This was a nice little push back up. Bruh, just give me the dang position. Dang, man. Well, at least I had good picks this morning. Wow. Be $1 in the money on PLTR, which would be 1R. Nah, it was me signature. Dang, bro. Y'all see this miss? I just total miss. Total miss. It's all right though. Do 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 do. So all this week, man, I've been like, not only was the gap list not anything like it was last week, but it I was watching like way more. Yesterday, I had like 5 charts over here on my watch screen, which is just like, come on, bro. How many times have we learned that lesson? All that does is lead to overtrading. So I just it sucks having to learn the same stuff over and over again. Falling into the same patterns. But I think I've proven to myself that I only want to watch two things. And you just gotta, hey, that's why pre-market is so important, because you literally, this decision is gonna decide whether or not you put real opportunities in front of you or not. I'm so sad I missed this entry. I would have been in at like 73.05 on PLTR. Stop was gonna be like 75 cent, 80 cent, but we up 1R already. But oh well, what I'm gonna do. Besides, maybe get on some of this Uber over here. Hey, Muhammad Nadeem, what's going on, bro? That ain't no volume. What up, Q? PLTR up $1.50 now from where I tried to buy it. I ain't even make a new high yet. Barely. Hmm. Hmm. Wave Rider. What's up, bro? Bro, look at this, man. I tried so hard to get in right here. I should have just put it. I was about to put in a manual order, but it already went up so much. Trying to risk low a day, it just didn't make any sense to take it anymore. I mean, I don't know. I should have still got in there, man. PLTR got a pretty good ATR, man. It would have been worth it. I think it would have been worth it for sure. But, you know, what's meant for you could never miss you, and what's not meant for you could never hit you. So we just keep it rolling, man. We got Uber here. Um, not So my first entry here, I knew it was kind of sketch buying it. I thought it might hold pre-market, so I did want to um get in there, but I risked down to the low of this first candle, which is just under 66. But then when it made a new high, I added for a stop up to here, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. What's this low? 36. Okay. I like my stop being below this 5 minute candle right here. So I'm cool with that. I think that's great. So need a tsunami, bruh. You ain't, bruh. I'd had two, three max loss days this week. Not, I mean, actually past max loss days. This week was terrible. So yeah, I definitely hope Uber go to 80. Which I had my chance over here on PLTR, but I totally fumbled the ball over here, man. Totally fumbled it. And look at this, man. Nice smooth volume. Like really no inclination to start selling until you get up to here. You know, I might have been a good lad and sold through pre-market highs, but I mean, this is really your first candle where you like, all right, let me start taking some out, you know? And here comes Uber. 5 minute candle said, what? Care nothing about that low. Man, I don't care nothing about that low over there. This is the patient entry right here. This is, if this don't pass my stop, this is a nice double bottom confirmation at VWAP and a nice tight entry that would be a great reward for the patient. But I don't know if it's gonna hold. Yeah. Okay. Well, hmm, bruh, still rolling. This is the trade that I needed today so badly. So badly. When I miss those kind of opportunities, that's when you start thinking like maybe this ain't even supposed to happen. Like I don't know why I didn't click to put my stop. I didn't even think about it. And look at this daily setup on Uber too. Yeah, it should have been all PLTR today. All PLTR. Uber's not even doing any astronomical volume or anything. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this ain't it. This looks terrible. I should just stop out right here. Come back later. Yeah, you know it looks bad. Man, Mara just did like a V bounce or something. Hey, what's up, Joe Dub? Yeah, that's what's up, Joe. What kind of truck you getting? Halt, resume time on your montage. I don't know if I did anything to turn that on or not. If I did, it's in the, in the configurations, but I don't remember doing anything specific to turn it on. Man, that's what's up, Joe. It's been a rough week for your boy, man. It's been a rough week. Look like it's gonna finish out the same. So sad I missed PLTR, man, and ended up on Uber. Kind of silly to trade Uber today with it showing massive weakness, but yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I guess a bounce. They kind of had a good news article this morning. Oh, yeah. That's what's up. I hope it serves you well, bro. Man, just think, man, the difference in not missing this PLTR entry is the difference in not taking this Uber. I still might have taken the Uber trade. I don't know. That was a crappy setup. Right after a tweezer pattern that I hate. Yeah, that was crappy. You just never know who's gonna show up to the desk, man. Yeah, this was pretty clear to me, I think. Just the volume, seeing a clean takeover, you know, after the pullback, just clean, six straight green bars and then two red. Like that's a pretty typical pullback, especially at VWAP pre-market high. I feel like that's a pretty good bet, but gotta make it past high of day. Like the whole premise of this trade is this thing's ability to proceed past high of day. Yeah, thanks, Joe. It's getting slapped. Uh, quite a bit of volume there. $3 ATR. That's what's up, Trey. It's not a bad thing. Man, what a day. Bah humbug. Yeah. Well, this is no trade day for you, no win day for me. Honestly, though, this is a pretty weak pullback for this kind of a move, if we're being realistic. If we're being realistic. That's a huge red candle right there, though. Just should have sold it higher day because that thing was not going past that. Man, just a whole lot of subparness going on today. The only real thing was PLTR, man. This was literally the only thing that was gapped up over some resistance. Uber was a gap. I mean, it gapped up from yesterday's close, but just right into yesterday's huge red day. Mara inside of yesterday's huge red day. Pretty crappy, man. But, the thing I do like is seeing the errors, you know. It's not just like random and I don't know what I'm gonna do next week. I got to my pre-market selections need to be better. I need to stick to my watching two things only and need to stick to, 3R max laws and, you know, all those things. So, and I just haven't been like doing the things that I was doing the week before, like really being patient for the volume to call me into the trade. And yeah, I'm just not doing that right now. Yeah, there's no reason to watch this stock. Hmm. I feel like another thing when you have a really good week, it kind of means the market was pushing and it's could definitely take a breather the next week. It's like another reason to be a little more cautious. SPY been rolling though, 608. Yeah. If the daily on this wasn't so crappy, I was really thinking about taking this again, but I just gotta stop. I gotta learn how to be okay with max loss day. I really don't want to go past 20 again on another day, but yeah, I could have been more patient for that. This is really not even. This was just a little mini consolidation, you know. And if I was gonna enter there, I should have kept my stop low a day. I would even still be eating Uber if I left my lower day stop. I just been playing myself today, man. Now, see, if I wanted Uber, this would have been kind of a cool entry. The volume's not saying take this trade, but at least the risk to reward is way better. Yeah, there goes Mara. Maybe. I don't know. It's kind of a quick run up. It's probably not gonna have enough juice unless it's just that strong. What's BTC doing? Crypto. BTC is dropping. New high. That's tough, man. Today is tough. Today is tough. The lower day, man. I don't know why. Trey, I'll be getting on you about selling half of your position, but like to me in my head, it's like, bro, it's just press a different button or something, right? But like, I'd be having such a hard time just putting my stop at low of day. Only entering positions where it makes sense to have a low day stop. So I get it, bro. I get it. I need to write myself a pep talk. I've been saying this for months. It's a trip having good ideas and not executing on them for long periods of time. Boy, Mara looks really nice now, doesn't it? Like for a breakout anyway. Uh boy, that time you decide to follow your rules be the I wanted to take this. I was like, no, I'm not gonna go past max loss. I'm not gonna go past 3R again. And that was the one. But you gotta draw the line somewhere. I wasn't even watching Mara today, so yeah. To truly sit back and wait for a buy opportunity is to wait for this. Now you got the 5 and the 15. Low key, I've been thinking about I was going back and looking at my winning trades. Like each day, I go back and look at them and then I glance over here at the 5 and I just kind of noticed my executions make a lot of sense on the 5-minute chart often. And I thought that was interesting. It's almost like just wait till a good opportunity forms on the 5. I don't know. Let's see here. I don't even want to look at my journal. Don't even want to do it, man. Hmm. That might be the next level right there. Yeah, what's up, Army? Yeah, it's definitely changed a lot, Q. Hmm. Yeah, that's true, Q. Hmm. Yeah, I hadn't even thought about labeling my daily setups this whole time, man. Like I just recently, like maybe last week, started labeling dailies. Man, I done got knocked upside the head this Friday, Arthur. uh Knocked upside the head. Yeah, they definitely lessons, man. Hmm. Very curious. Yeah, I do need to spend. I need to do like a crazy deep dive on in my journal for sure. What are my biggest winners? Lately they've just been these I think gap up in reversals. Let's see. Well, this is clearly back when I was risking a lot more than $5. I guess we'll go sort these by date. Let's see, what was UMAC? See the that DWAC was old though. Let's see. All right. Ding. Yo, clean up. But see, the problem with this journal, I wish HH was in here. They don't have a daily chart. They literally do not have a daily chart. So it's like cumbersome to try to figure out. Oh, okay, maybe I found it. Okay, cool. I figured it out. I figured it out. I think. Wait, is this a daily? Okay, yeah. So yeah, this was a gap up. Gap up, previous day red. Yep. Huge volume day. Probably has some news or something. All right. This is October 13th, 2022. Yeah, see, I haven't gotten to the point where if I come in and don't see anything that I don't like, see anything that I like, that I don't trade, I'll just be like, all right, yeah. I mean, I'm done for today, Arthur. I've already, I'm $3.33 past my max loss. So ain't nothing left for me to do. Oh, okay. So yeah, news in the gap up. Next one. Man, wow, look at that, man. 100 shares long at 1743, sold at 2068. That's some diamond hands, man. That is some diamond hands. Didn't sell a lick. Man. I'm trying to, Arthur. You know, I'm learning a lot about myself. Just in the struggle to get myself to follow my own rules. Like it's such an experience with oneself. uh all right, AMD. Boy, this looks like some gunslinging over here. I was taking profits though. That's the hardest part. Yeah, man. Absolutely the hardest part. Um, yeah, I was eating over here on AMD. Yeah. This is February 29th of this year. I gotta add this calendar every time I want to look at it. Okay, it's another gap up. Nice daily pattern. Narrow day previous. Yeah, it's a really nice daily setup. What's going on with my arrows? But there we go. Yeah, gap up, yo. It's the gap. Daily gap up. And what do we do on the one? We just man, if I would have partialed out right here, look at this, man. Oh my god. Dang, if I would have partialed, bro. If I would have partialed out from here, man, I was thinking small. I was thinking small. Golly. No real news that day. Just a good daily pattern on the chart, man. Just a good pattern on. Look at this pattern, bro. This mug is beautiful. It's beautiful. So, all right, bro. I see these beautiful daily setups all the time, man. I really got to get my swing trade on. Actually, bro, when I was ready to give up day trading, I'm like, you know what? This might just turn into a swing trade channel, cause man, I don't even know what to call these entries. Just higher lows off of VWAP, but this ain't even a higher low. Yeah, I didn't wait for a 5 or nothing. I don't know, y'all. I'm thinking about really just that 5 minute chart might be the way. Hmm. Yeah. Sounds like wisdom right there, Arthur. Yeah, I'm gonna just throw $100 in my Webull account, man, and just start doing something. It only makes sense. All right, number 3, Google. Google. Mm, not a great look on the daily, but a gap up nonetheless. Yeah, it didn't do anything special that day. Very small gap up. No, it didn't do any high volume that day. Um, yeah, I think this was back in the time where I was just watching. Huh. Watch this for next week. That's interesting. You know, Q, you've been talking about stuff to watch tomorrow the day before, and I kind of was thinking one day, like, man, I don't ever think about that. Like looking at aftermarket and seeing what things traded today and how they look, and what kind of setups set up during the day. Yeah, I hear you, Arthur. I hear you. Um, Where's the executions? Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, man. Where's the executions, yo? There we go. Isn't that pretty? What'd you say, Q? Buying the dips? Yo. These things are nice to see for sure. Yeah, I got a lot of you giving me some homework when you prime Hassan back. Yeah, what's going on? Um, yeah, confidence was definitely high during this moment. Just knowing my risk level and just looking at how I'm attacking this chart, man. Just attacking it, buying the dips, being patient, like probably too patient, but I definitely wouldn't be this patient today, but I just like my entries, man. Today I would have probably sold some here, sold some there. Yeah, that's nice. Just sniping VWAP, man. It seems so much more complicated now. This is pretty nice. Uh, Man, I can't believe I gotta add this daily chart every time, bro. Not cool. And not a gap up. Yeah, that was when I didn't even, I wasn't looking for news or I was just watching my favorite ones, you know? I just had a basket and I would look them up and, whatever ones were trading on volume and uptrending in pre market, those would be the ones I would trade that day. And, yeah. I think my main issue back then was just watching way too many stocks and I was just taking so many trades, which I'm still doing from time to time. Yeah, so this isn't, I don't know what kind of setup this is on the daily. This is nothing because it opened here, which is not a gap up. I guess maybe it could have been gapping in pre market and sold off. Hot play for Monday. I don't know, man. I feel like everything that was pumping this last week is kind of dying this week. And man, to be up here buying still. This was when Nvidia was like going crazy. Look at this, $800. This is when Nvidia was just like, just buy it. Oh, it went up. It went up $10. Can you imagine? I bought this at 801.76 and then it goes up to 807 and I'm like, "All right, buy more." But then I don't start selling till 812, 817. Man, I missed out. I missed out. Not selling up here at 20s. That's this is why I don't like just stopping out, because it's like you always getting stopped out on a pullback instead of selling at the highs. I just like I want my arrows up at the top, not the bottom. Like my last fill should be like that, but I want mine is at the highs. So yeah, this was crazy. Oh, I didn't even look at the daily on that one. Anyway, I'm gonna do this over the weekend. Ain't gonna bore y'all with all this journal stuff. But appreciate your time, Q, and kind of point getting me in that direction. Um, um, yeah, I need to more define my parameters for trading, man. It's just the same thing happens when what I want is there, I'm on fire, I'm killing it. But when what I don't want is there, I mean when I don't see what I want, man. But I had PLTR this morning, man. I had it, bro. I had it. I just forgot to put the price down here before I clicked my hotkey, man. Uh Mara. Yeah, dang, man. Mara ended up going too, man. That sucks. Why this thing couldn't hold VWAP? Yeah. I'm just so distracted with so many other things, man, that I'm not giving this um yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just start waking up early. Something to look into for next week. Man, what's been hot this week? Mara, I don't know, man. Mara looks like it might be going down, man. I think Mara's probably out of play for the long side anyway. Challenge got me thrown down. Uh, let's see. Tesla's making all-time highs over here. Not today though. Today is having a little resting day. What's the hmm. Tesla might be kind of exciting next week, man. Yeah, I was trying to think of some quantum stocks. I'm still kind of unfamiliar with them. Yeah, those guys. QUBT. Wow. Imagine catching this double bottom right here. Now that's nice. Comes down here. Nice little mini volume. Boom, boom. Yeah, this right here should sell it. And then this resting candle. Get in right there. 739. Ion Q is going crazy. And look how it's doing. Man, this might be the one right here, Arthur. It's moving up so nicely because it keeps pulling back. It's not like going straight up. It's just goes up and then consolidates a little bit, goes up a little, consolidates a little bit. And now we about to break out. I don't know, man. Ion Q. I like Ion Q's daily. It has been going up for a while though. So Maybe got one more week left. I don't know. It's pretty extended. Yeah, that's probably not the. If we're looking for opportunity. Yeah. See, this looks more like opportunity because it hasn't moved yet. But um, I don't like that guy. Hammer watch list. All right, so RGTI, man. See, man, look at these. Look, if imagine hearing about this back, seeing it start to rumble. Like, soon as you start seeing these little baby volume spikes, like, bruh, you start watching these things on the weekly, man. As soon as you see one of these little, because this is ridiculous. This what I want to swing trade, Arthur. I want to swing trade some of these penny stocks, man. Get in at 50 cents, sell it $5. Swinging is stressful for me though, bro. I guess if I start small, it won't be that stressful. Yeah, maybe I'll do $5 risk on swings too. Cause man, when I swing trade, bro, I'm watching my phone. Yeah, that part, Q. I'm watching my phone all the time. Like I wake up and if I wake up and it's pre-market and I gotta go use the bathroom or something, I'm opening my phone. You gotta check the fundamentals. Yeah, I know it's a little more complicated than that. You're looking at hmm, that's true, Arthur. Yeah, I could do that right now. I don't even have to put a deposit in to do that. Oh, oh yeah. What's up, Pharaoh? Long time no see. Speaking Arthur's language. It's been tough, man. I had a really awesome last couple weeks, and then I came in. I think I came in a little overconfident this week, man, and took a couple steps back, man. But I'm learning a lot. I think if I journal more and yeah, I definitely need to spend more on the review process to drive these lessons home more. It's like I learned the lesson during the trading session, but I don't like break it down. I don't magnify it. I don't review it, you know. So yeah, I gotta change that this week for sure. What? What up, Tech? Assalamu alaikum. um, yeah. So I just I think I just need to set in stone like the process, man. And like when I come in on days when, hmm, dang, that's deep, Trey. The magic you're looking for is in the work you're avoiding. Dang. That's happened a lot in my life too. That's deep, man. The magic you're looking for is in the work you're avoiding. Hmm. Yeah, that's heat, bruh. Hmm. For the students. uh, yeah, I think we got to make a change next week, man. We got to make a change next week. We're coming in business next week, man. I got let's see. Let me get my little homework together, man. Homework. Uh watch list for Monday. Man, bro, that ain't it's still early, man. I ain't been on it like that. I don't even have a basket anymore. I used to keep a watch list basket that I would just, whenever I found a new relevant stock that I thought would be in play, for the next few weeks or so, I would add it. And so, every morning I would constantly be going through this basket of stocks, looking at, what's going on with the daily. And I kind of had this was like when I was trading the big seven, I kind of had a good idea of what was going on with them, but like right now, bro, you're asking me and I just like, bro, I got nothing. I don't have any idea. Like, I can't even remember what I traded yesterday, you know? So, I don't know. Ion Q is very bullish, but to me, it's time to start looking for the short. Like, it's, although, I mean, having a bottoming tail at the bottom of each of these candles tells me that, it's a good mix of buying and selling happening. So it does just look really bullish. So I don't know. I guess I can't really say toss it, but um, yeah, this would be a great discussion for the Discord, man. We should have I don't know if it's Friday or Sunday, the week ahead. Or maybe a live session on YouTube, man. We can get together and maybe on Sunday evening or something, talk about what we're looking for the week to come. It's not a bad idea, Arthur. Yeah. But yeah, I definitely I want to come business next week, man. I want to come business as far as getting to my office at the right time. Shoot, I might even wear a polo every day next week and line my hair up before each session, Just come in all the way business. And yeah, I'm gonna try to finish that book too, Trey. I should be able to listen to it before the weekend's up. And yeah, I don't want to have another week like this week. This was terrible. Terrible. So, yeah, next week gonna do a lot of homework this weekend, man. A lot of homework this weekend. I gotta tag up everything. I think maybe if I see, like, for example, how good the daily gap up setup is for me and how mid or how often, something other than that fails, man, maybe that'll help me pre-market say, oh no, I'm not looking at that. You know, that's not my type of thing. That fails for me, and I have the data to help me make those clear decisions and distinctions. Yeah, I've been missing out on a lot of puzzle pieces that I need to have. Um, so yeah, we got to fix that ASAP. ASAP. Hmm. But you definitely got my wheels turning, Arthur. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna I think I'm gonna make a little list. I'm gonna make a little list that I keep on my screen, and whenever I see good dailies, I'm gonna put it on my notepad to look at for my swing account. And I'm gonna start a little paper trading. I'm gonna start a little paper trading swing account, man. And we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll do a video on that too. But I think that'll be fun. Bro, this 5 minute chart, man. I think I might have to switch to the five. I don't know, man. Yeah, we'll see, man. I got a lot of research to do, but I just be looking at some of these entries on the five, man. And they be looking kind of good, man. Like a lot of like a candle like this. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. 3 minute. Yeah, you know what? I was trading the 2 minute and really liking it earlier this year. Uh, hmm. Interesting things, man. Interesting things. But I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. Get a little gym session in before I got to get started working and going to Jum'ah. Um, man, it's nice to always, not always, but today with this red day, I do feel hopeful for next week. It's not like one of those devastating ends to the week where it's just like, oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. what am I doing? It's not one of those what am I doing moments, you know. It's just a reset and you know, just got to regroup for next week. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, Arthur. Your input is super appreciated, man. Thanks, bro. All right, y'all. This is a wrap for this week. Um, yeah, man. We just got to do our homework this weekend, man, and come back strong Monday, man. I'm already excited. I'm already excited, man. I can't wait. Yeah, man. But anyway, man, hit that like button for me if you guys would, please. And subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. And y'all be safe out here, man. Have a good weekend. Later, Kizzy. Yeah, man. Straight up, bro. All right, Trey. All right, Dave, J. Greg. Appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna keep it up. Um, I'm gonna go through and look through all those winning trades in my journal, man, and just feel good. And I'm gonna tag them up and just look for those data points, that can tell you what to focus on, and just keep dialing it in, man. We on our way. Anyway, peace.